I'm back, booty holes. Oh! Oh! Hold on. I'm back, booty holes. Parts of service. Okay, so we can do vent repair, or we can do dark rooms. Vent repairs are pretty, just 2. That would be the entire video. I don't know about what the dark rooms are, but dark rooms will become after that one. Because I want to do vents. Vent repair seems fun, okay? It seems fun. It seems funner than the other. Make repairs. I'm a mechanic. I'm the best mechanic there is. I just got done fixing the animatronics. I can fix the vents, alright? I'm a good guy.
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time.
Cat.
The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system.
Oh,
Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction.
Who's in here besides me?
However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vent technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
Oh! I'm scared. Ah! No, I don't think so. No, I don't. What am I supposed to do? I'm scared. I'm finna crap my pants. I regret doing this job. I don't want to do this job. I don't want to do this job. I don't want to do this job. I don't like this job. I'm Where? I'm scared. Where? Oh. No, I have no idea how scary this is. Close! 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 Gotta be kidding me! Ah! That's gotta be play. I didn't see it. Red. Ah! Red, green, blue, orange. Was that wrong? Red, green, orange, blue. I'm okay.
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job.
Yeah!
See you next time.
Perfect 72 degrees. Perfect 72 degrees. Perfect 72 degrees. I don't want to play this, guys. No. Ooh, snack. I love my snacks. Oh, Jesus. Lord. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. I don't wanna. What is injured? More like a flibbered. I don't know. Boop. Oh, breathe in. Breathe out. I don't like this. I don't like. No, I think I'm fine up here. think employees only is a safe place. And to be honest, I like it up here.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident. Emergency ventilation repairs may be necessary to reach the boiler room on sub-basement G. We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations of the secondary service elevator, but the comfort of the main elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
Frick you. Pay grade sucks then. That's a good song. I rate that 10 out of 10.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Oh, I don't wanna.
Well done.
I did it. No, I don't think you have to open another one. I don't really like this personally. Hey, I'm actually pretty good at this.
Well done.
Huh. You know, for my first gig, first try, this is easy. Easy. Oh! Energy stay here. I'm so scared right now. Come on. Be my friend, What's the next?
Well done.
Please close. Please close. Please close. Please close. I mean, I didn't hear that scream, y'all. This is getting scarier. Scarier. Easy, guys. Oh, great.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
I don't like this. Dad? What am I supposed to do? Have this I don't like this, Dad. Dad, I don't like this job. I don't like this job. Maybe I could do it some other time? It's not today, Dad. I don't like Dad? Please. Dad, I don't like this. Gibran Jahames? I don't know what Gibran Jahames? Gibran Jahames? That goes right there. Gibran Jahames? I'm so scared. I don't like this, Dad. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Guys, I don't like this. I don't. Oh my god. Good try. Do I have to do the entire thing over again? Gosh darn it.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
Cheese and crackers, dude.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Motion trigger. Breaker room. Shut up. Oh, right. They're right.
Well done.
Well done. Put your big dummy self up. Why am I playing this? I don't know what to do with you guys anymore.
Well done.
Alright. Can I throw hands with Ennard? I'd probably lose, but you know. Who cares? I got YouTube on my side. You know, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. YouTube, you're going to protect me if I get killed with this robot thing. And Dad.
Well done.
Close! 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 What up with me, bro? Why did he scream? I got it. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Everything's peaceful. We're all good. Everything's fine. I can't reach out. I'm too small. Short. Jeez, guys. I don't think I can do this anymore. Snapperoni. Pizzaronis. Pizza. Pizza. Okay, so.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Then that brings this to me. And I put that there. How do I get that running? Does that control the power? Maybe if I keep it on. No. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, if you ask me right now, what am I doing? I will full-heartedly tell you, I don't know. Because honestly, Dad, I don't know. Ah! I thought if I still him, I'm fine! Report glitches before they spread. What do you mean? Oh. Okay, this is like Freddy all over again. Oh my jeez.
Welcome to Circus Baby's
Get on with it. I should not be put through this harassment.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Go up. Can you go any slower? Sorry guys, I'm just really frustrated.
Well done.
Well done. How about you come down here and do yourself? Do it yourself. You tell me how hard it is then.
Well done.
I almost just want to slap a child. Name Ennard! Oh yeah, I'm so scared of an ugly animatronic. It can't even hurt me. I'd probably beat it in a fight if you gave me the correct weapons. Like, pew pew, bang bang, chugga wugga bang.
Well done.
Ah, try me, stupid! So I'm not scared of him anymore? Still confused how to do this part. I'm actually very confused. Do I like throw my hand at it, grab it, and throw it, and bring it back to me? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm so confused. I'm not kidding. I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. I'm confuzzled. I'm too stupid for this. That's why I'm not a mechanic, guys. I'll probably end up dying first day, but you know, who cares? Hey, yo, this is a beat.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
I don't know what I'm like actually supposed to do though. No, you go right there. I'm supposed to grab you. You're supposed to go easily right there. Hey man, I do nothing but chilling. Supposed to be something I'm supposed to grab? What am I supposed to do? Oh. I figured out what I was supposed to do now. It's only a drink. Oh, it's only a dream. Your face is a dream. Nightmare. Stupid.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment. And
I know what I'm doing now, guys. My intelligence has come back to me in my forehead, through my brain, and stayed in my brain. Now
room.
I know what the Logan has to do. Alright? That's what Ninja Boy has to do.
Well done.
Bada bang, bada boom! I'm intelligent out of this world. I'm like Batman and Iron Man, Shikamaru, and every intelligent person combined into one. That's me. 'Cause that's how smart I am, y'all. You're like, then why are you not rich? Alright, I didn't mean it literally, I meant it more metaphorically. I'm not that smart guy. You're bullying me. Alright, let's see what we got down here. What seems to be the problem? I'm a great engineer. If there's an animatronic trying to eat my duty booty fruity. Like that one right there. Ugly. See, you don't even scare me, you just mad annoying. You just yelling up in my ear like, ah! See how annoying that is though? Like, do you want me screaming in the ears you totally don't have or something? You want to be ah! in your ears? No, I don't think so. Stupid. I got him, right guys? I got him. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. This one. Yeah, high five. Yeah. I totally get. I'm gonna speed run this. I'm gonna be so fast, the Flash can't keep up with my hand movements. Because I'm a ninja. Know what I'm saying? Ninja skills. Bring that one to me. Quick.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Boom. I got it. I'm fine. He thinks he's intelligent, but he's not. He's ugly. That's sense. You know what I'm saying?
Well done.
Ah! there's still more? There's more! Oh my gosh. Why is this one gotta be so long? I don't have the capability. I don't have the IQ. Jeez Louise. Oh, don't want to do it already. But this song though, this music though. What is this? Dad, what is this?
Motion trigger, boiler room.
Thank gosh. Thank God, one open at a time. Well, actually, two, 3.
Well done.
How is he alive? How is he not melting in the boiler? I'm stupid, y'all. Who just makes me? No? Something's wrong with 2. And you go kiss your mom on the face. Got him, bro. Got him. No. Woo! Yeah, baby! Ooh! 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 I got the IQ of Batman and Iron Man fused into one being button. Oh, it's upside! I didn't mean it! Oh, look how toasty it is. That's some crappy fire, though. Ah!
Well done. A perfect 72 degrees. See you next time.
I never want to do this job again. Dad? Dad, is it you? Is my dad in here? Oh my God, I got Funtime Foxy. Nah. It just told me my right controller is battery low. Nah. I can wait faster and longer. I'm joking, I'm not gonna do it. I think it was a pretty short video, right? You guys just wanna do it? Nah, you wanna... No, you wanna do... I'll do one night of this. Just a little sneak peek, alright? I know like, look, but Sonic Kid, that's gonna... Stop push start on X? How am I supposed to do that? I'm stupid! I can't... Nightlight, and the dark night, and the moon night. Dude, move! Not moving. Are you gonna move anytime soon? Or are you just retarded? Jesus Christ. That actually got me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 16. Move! What? Move! You just run in the room? Where's the little... Dude, I'm not going to win! How much? Ah! Well, JK Okay, guys, we're skipping out completely on this. How am I going to what? Whatever, that's all you get. What's your favorite pizza? Cheese. Now shut up. Frank, you see this? You see this? We ain't gonna do that. You know what? We're doing that for next video. I'm joking. God, you're so ugly, dude. Dude, I'm going to be stuck on that one level, and there's more of it. Not that I can really cheat. Whatever. Or we could do the DLC before the rest. No. Alright. This is the end of the video. Alright. Have a fantastic day. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. And this game bullies me. Now have a wonderful day. Goodbye bye.